There are entrepreneurs who are working even today. Consider Richard Branson, consider Bill Gates. Why are they really working even today? Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Contra Podcast. You're listening to Consan Show, episode number 216. And in this episode, we'll discuss about goal setting. Why is it really necessary to set a infinite goal? What do I mean by finite goal and infinite goal? Convert your finite goals into infinite goals. Why am I telling you this? Let's get started. Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Contra Podcast. You're listening to Constant Show. Never listen to any advice, guys. That's the advice that I want. These are nothing but you practice, you will become an expert one. Your network is your net worth. But I don't know how to start. Just start. One thing that I understand by doing this business for 5 years, I'm in business field for 5 years. So one thing that I really understand is if you want to be happy, have an infinite goal. You don't have to have a goal that has a finish line, that has an end line, and don't be that athlete who feels like if they have one gold medal, that's their end goal. So that causes lots of sadness in your life. There are athletes who feel like their finish line is done today, and what else? What can they do? They have trained their entire life for 18 years. They have trained just to win this one gold medal, and today they feel like their entire life is done. They go under depression. What do you do at that particular stage in your life? Because you have a finite goal. You just work for 18 years, constant work. Of course that takes tons of efforts, but after that, when you just win that one gold medal, you would have been somewhere around 25 at that particular stage. After 25 years, what do you do with your rest of your life? Let's say you live 85 years. That's the average life cycle of a human being in 2020. And what do you do for your rest of the 60 years? You just feel like go under depression. You just feel like your life is done and go do something else which is completely boring. Go get a job. No, that's completely horrible, right? There are plenty of athletes who have done that. I'll give you a great example. What about Michael Phelps? Yeah, you guys have heard about him, right? Michael Phelps is a great Olympic American swimmer. So his goal was to get the most number of Olympic goals in his entire life that no one have ever achieved. At somewhere around 28 gold medals that he has today. But once he have achieved it, what did really happen? He just went under depression. You know the victory, but what really happened after the victory? He went under depression. That is the truth. So stop having a finite goal. What do you really do at that particular situation? You just try to revise yourself or try to convince yourself saying that you'll do that again. Yeah. Do you think Michael Phelps would have won 28 gold medals again in his life as a new person just by renaming his name? No, that's not possible. If you guys are a tennis fan, you might have observed this. What really happened in 2019 Wimbledon? Roger Federer, the greatest tennis player ever, he just failed to win from match point. He just lost the Grand Slam after reaching the championship point. So he was 1 point away, one hit away from the victory, but he just lost it. Why is because Grand Slams and Roger Federer, he have won every Grand Slam in every tennis match that you can ever imagine. So it's not that he can't do it, but it is that he lost some motivation in his life. Probably that was not his day too, but that has been happening for many athletes around this world because they have a finish line. Winning every Grand Slam might have been Federer's end goal. And Something like there are entrepreneurs who are working even today. Consider Richard Branson, consider Bill Gates. Why are they really working even today? It is because they have an infinite goal. Richard Branson would be dead after 40 years, but he is just doing awesome work in Virgin Galactic. What does that really mean? Virgin Galactic is a company that Richard Branson owns, and they do space exploration. Is it possible to build a space colony within 40 years? No. Richard Branson would have died after 40 years, but why is he doing it? The happiness that he gets after 40 years, by doing that particular thing, that is more important than his entire goal. So that is how people are. That is how you should work on. Convert your finite goals into infinite goals. That is how you be more happy in your life. And the shout out in this episode is for classy entrepreneurs. So I am following this particular page. It's an awesome page for sure. It motivates me a lot. As you guys know, I am a great fan of motivators who just motivate me and who have motivational page in Instagram. Those people are the one who drive me, because whenever I open Instagram, instead of looking at my friend's picture and instead of saying that these people are dumb, these people are horrible, they just get into a Pizza Hut, they just buy a burger, they just post that. Who really cares about it? But the motivation things that these people provide, just like classy entrepreneurs. So these people are driving my entire life. How do I really stay motivated? It's somewhere around 8:30 now, but I feel like I just want to record this video. This is how my life is. How am I getting energy? I just started my day at probably 6 o'clock today, but even now I'm just working. How is this possible? This is possible because the people who I follow, they motivate me a lot. And if you could comment on my videos, my podcast, you'll be the next person who will be featured in my podcast. And go follow classy entrepreneurs for sure. And the value that they provide, that would be completely awesome. And yeah, if you could hit that red button, that means the world to me. And if you need daily motivation just like this, make sure you guys just hit that bell icon next to the red button, and daily motivation will be delivered to you from my channel Controver Podcast at 4 o'clock before you wake up. That's my assurance, and I'll meet you guys at the top. Until then, it's me Sanjay signing off from Controver Podcast. Thank you guys. Bye bye. See you in my next podcast.